Part 11, Comptroller and Auditor General. Article 14, Comptroller and Auditor General. Point number 1, there shall be a Comptroller and an Auditor General for the nation and also one for every state. Comptroller and Auditor General shall maintain the accounts of the nation or of the state as the case may be, and shall present statements to the respective parliaments and municipal councils. Comptroller and Auditor General shall post every government income to the account of the smallest territory, municipal constituency or municipality, state or the nation that can be identified as the source territory of that income. Number 4. Comptroller and Auditor General shall post every government expense to the account of the smallest territory, municipal constituency, municipality, state or the nation that can be identified as the end user territory of the expense. The Comptroller General and Auditor General of the nation or of a state, as the case may be, shall examine the accounts of every establishment in any municipality where public money is involved and shall submit report to the respective parliaments and municipal councils. Right on property. Every person domiciled in the nation shall have a fundamental primary right on the property earned by agreement with this constitution, and that right shall continue on the contributions in any form to the governments of the nation, of the state and of the municipality, and to the establishments, institutions, trusts and any other organized bodies. Hence, such contributions shall have to be utilized towards the matters approved by those contributors only. Diverting the funds without approval of the contributors for consumption and pleasures of people unknown to them is a deliberate injustice. Even very rich people protect their holdings and avoid contributions for essential needs of their siblings even. Weaker people should be helped to improve their earnings, economic viability and quality of life. Finances may be made available for that purpose on hypothecation of property or future profits for secured recovery. Approval for more non-refundable marginal money for that purpose may be acceptable maximum consideration. But providing funds for consumption and enjoyment makes people lazy, and such provisions and allowances shall be more harmful sooner for the welfare of the people and the nation in course of time. Income and expenses. Contributions by the people of smallest territory that can be identified shall be the common property of that territory and shall be utilized for the common expenses of that territory and for the development of common interests, which can improve personal income and quality of life in that territory, and for contributing its share of common expenses to the municipality, to the state, the nation, as the case may be. Share of a constituent territory, municipal constituency or municipality or state, as the case may be, towards a common expense shall be computed based on its territorial area. 30% of common expense, population 30% of common expense, and per capita income 40% of common expense. Distribution of revenue. Of the total funds accrued in any form which can be differentiated, funds accrued from different municipal constituencies shall be the common properties of those municipal constituencies. Funds accrued from different municipalities shall be the common properties of those municipalities. Funds accrued from different states shall be the common properties of those states, and the remaining not be differentiated as the above three types shall be the common property of the nation. Distribution of expenses. Of the total expenses which can be differentiated, 1. Expenses for which the end user territories are different municipal constituencies shall be common expenses of those municipal constituencies. Expenses for which the end user territories are different municipalities shall be the common expenses of those municipalities. Expenses for which the end user territories are different states shall be the common expenses of those states, and the remaining expenses which cannot be differentiated as the above three types shall be the common expenses of the nation. Weaker territories. Any person or a territory can invest from the personal or common territorial property, as the case may be, in any other target territory of the nation by contract or bilateral agreement on equal terms of community norms, or on partly or totally charitable or non-profitable terms to facilitate economic viability and improve quality of life in the target territory.